Hi, disability attorney Andrew November, and we're going to take a look at LinkedIn. So if you've watched our other videos, we've talked about the rankings of what the insurance company likes to look at. Clearly on top it's Facebook. It's always Facebook for obvious reasons because it allows you to share the most. Next up is LinkedIn because they want to see if you're working. Remember, applying for disability benefits, and these benefits are for individuals who are unable to work, and obviously that's a very nuanced definition there, but by and large, I've seen the insurance companies trying to see if any other work activities happening. Are you kind of doing things on the side? Are you trying to start another business? That's why they looked at LinkedIn. So it's a very important one to make private. So let's get to it. All right, this one's a little complex, so I'm going to take it a little slower. First, we're going to click Me with your photo on the top right of the screen, and me as in you. Don't be looking for me because I hopefully won't be there. Then you're going to click View Profile. On the top right of the screen, click Edit Public Profile and URL. Okay, we did that. Now we need to scroll to Edit Visibility. Once we've done that, we're going to turn that off so only those that follow you can see your profile. Now, I've said this in every one of my videos, know who your followers are. LinkedIn can be kind of tricky because people add like crazy on there. I have probably 500 plus connections and I might know just a handful of them. And that's my fault. I've made my audience way too big. You probably have too. So spend some time getting rid of those folks you don't know. You don't need to see them watching. They might be connected to the insurance company. They might be the insurance company. But they probably just don't have your best interest in mind. So get rid of those people. Look, I get it. Social media is fun. I love social media. I have accounts across every platform. But it's being used against us. So we need to stay one step ahead. So please limit it completely. Make yourself private. Don't give the insurance company that low-hanging fruit.